This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin Alpha 100 to a DriveTrack 71. First, ensure both devices are fully charged to avoid interruptions. Next, update the software on both units to their latest versions for seamless compatibility. Finally, position the Alpha 100 and DriveTrack 71 within 10 feet of each other. This proximity is crucial for establishing a strong, reliable wireless connection between the two devices, ensuring a smooth setup process. Now, let's initiate the pairing from your Alpha 100. From the main menu, tap on Track Dogs. Then, select the Add Dog option. You'll then see an option to pair with DriveTrack. Choose this. A confirmation prompt will appear on your Alpha 100 screen. Simply confirm this request to proceed. This action prepares the Alpha 100 to broadcast its tracking data, making it discoverable by the DriveTrack 71. Next, we'll complete the pairing on your DriveTrack 71. From its main menu, navigate to Garmin Devices. Here, you'll select Add Device. Your Alpha 100 should now appear in the list of available devices. Select it. A final pairing confirmation will display on the DriveTrack 71 screen. Confirm this to establish the secure wireless link. This step is vital for the DriveTrack to begin receiving real-time dog tracking information from your Alpha 100. Once paired, immediately verify the connection by checking if dog tracking information is visible on your DriveTrack 71. The DriveTrack 71 is capable of displaying up to 20 dogs simultaneously, receiving data directly from your Alpha 100. For the best performance and maximum range, which can extend up to 9 miles, always ensure both devices have a clear line of sight. This setup provides a powerful and reliable tracking solution for your outdoor adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.